Welcome back. I'm going to be answering some questions to better understand what we learned from corresponding and alternate angles and parallel lines. Okay, let's go. Let's say you're given a question like this, a diagram like this, rather, a parallel line. When you see this arrow on two lines side by side, you know it's a parallel line. Then one intersection here. Then let's say this place is B. This place is C. This place is A. This place is 70. This place is E. This place is F. This place is D. And this place is G. Right? Okay, starting with what we have, let's figure out every other thing. We can afford to find A, B, C. And with A, B, C, we can get all the answer for D, E, G, F using alternate and corresponding formulas. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the one they gave to us, right? They gave us 70. And if you observe closely, for corresponding laws, for law of correspondence, our job here now, we're trying to find, remember we're trying to find A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, right? So let's find G. If you observe closely, 70 corresponds to G. So G is equals to 70. Why? Because of what? Correspondence. Corresponding angles. Okay, this place is what? 70. Next, let's see what we can find. 70 and B, they are 70 and B are vertically opposite angles. So we can say that 70 or B is equal to 70. Why? Because they are what? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. I've gotten G. I've gotten B. Now let's find A. For us to find A, we're going to use the law that states that angle on a straight line is 180. So we can easily say that 70 plus A is equal to 180, right? And if that's the case, collect like terms, you have that A is equal to 180 minus 70, and that will give us what? That will give us 110. So A is equal to what? 110. Now that we have A, B, now let's find C. Since we have A as 110, vertically opposite angle law will also apply here again, because A is vertically opposite to C, so A is equal to C, which is what? 110 degrees. So A is equal to C, that's 110 degrees. And with that, I've gotten A, B, C. We can easily apply it to this other side because A corresponds to D and 70 corresponds to G. Okay. So if we look at it thoroughly, we don't need to find E, G, F. If you correlate A and D, whatever you have in A here is what you have as your D answer. Whatever you have as B is what you have as your E answer. Whatever you have as C is what you're going to have as your F answer. Then 70 is G. And with that, we succeeded in getting all these alphabets or all these unknown sides. Okay, that's that for this example. See you in the next video.